Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another installment of my Traffic Masters YouTube video series. Guys, this particular video that I'm doing tonight is for two sets of people. Number one is for people who need more traffic, right, and more leads for their business. You want more exposure for your existing business, to sell more of your products, or to move more of your services. That's the first set of people that this video is for. The second set of people that this video is for brand new people who are looking for ways to make money online. Even if you don't have a product, guys, right? And something that you can set up super fast to start making money online, right? Even if you don't have your own products and services. So let me tell you why. First of all, the first group of people, how this can benefit your business, guys. You want more exposure for your business. You need more exposure for your business. And we all know that traffic and lead generation is the cornerstone of building our businesses. If you can build a list, you can build a business. And the system that I'm going to introduce you guys to tonight will allow you to do it on total automation. But it gets even better than that, guys, because what's happening with the software, the way this particular system is configured, guys, we actually have it set up so everybody you introduce the system to, right, you will receive the first 5 people that they introduce the system to, and so on and so forth. That's how your traffic is perpetuated. That's how you perpetuate the amount of exposure you receive for your business. And ultimately, guys, that's how you grow a bigger list. Now, once you start growing that list, guys, you can turn around and email that list anything that you want to. Your products, your services, your affiliate offers, or your business opportunity. But let's check this out, guys. For the people who don't already have their own products and services, what the software has done is this has pre-built affiliate offers already rolled into the algorithm, if you will, of the actual software. And those affiliate offers that's already pre-built into the actual funnel will pay you commissions as you bring people into the system. So now, guys, you're perpetuating your traffic. You're perpetuating your exposure. You're getting even more eyeballs on your business opportunity, your products, your services, or whatever it is you're marketing and promoting. And if you don't have one, we got you covered anyway, because there are affiliate offers already built into the system that automatically allow you to earn cash commissions on them all throughout the process. If that's not a win-win situation for absolutely anybody, people with existing businesses who need more traffic, more leads, more exposure for their businesses, and brand new people who've never done this at all, right? But really want to get out here and start making money online with an automated system that will do it for you. Build your leads, get more traffic, get more exposure, make affiliate commissions all along the way. I think I've said enough, guys. If you're on YouTube, then you're going to see a page right below in the video description area that looks just like this one. Go on and pop your email address in, guys. We'll run you over to the actual presentation, and just like I promised, you can be set up within the next 60 seconds, okay? If you guys are finding me any other way, there'll be a continue button right below this actual video too. Click it, guys, and I'll run you over there as well. Thanks for opting in. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I'll see you guys on the inside. Keep banging.